Viral beauty hacks. They seem so weird, but also kind of clever. Are they effective? And are they harmless?
Hey guys, it's Casper here. Welcome back to Beauty Facts Unboxing. In our last episode, we talked all about the rumors around pores. And we also asked you guys the question whether or not you can reduce the number of pores we have, and 25% of you guys said yes, we can reduce the number, and 74% of you guys said no, we cannot. And the answer is you cannot reduce the amount of pores you have. No matter what treatments or what products you guys use, you cannot reduce the number of pores, you could only reduce the size. So guys, have you ever seen those videos on YouTube or Facebook where they do those really clever but kind of interesting looking hacks? Well, on Beauty Facts Unboxing, we are going to test these out, and I was really curious to see if these under $3 tricks would work. We're going to see if these tricks actually prove to be effective and if they're not harmless or harmful to the skin. Vaseline can get rid of blackheads. Honestly, I'm a skeptical person, so I really wanted to test this out and see if it's true for myself. Things you need. Vaseline, of course. Towel. Cleansing oil. What is this? Plastic wrap? Plastic wrap. Cleansing foam. Oh, and Q-tips. A little more than I thought we would need, but here we go. So we're gonna test this out on our trusty producer, Lee. Step 1. Oh. Ooh, I'm glad that's happening to you, not to me.
I love you guys to be doing this.
Smell? It smells like bread with rose water. I'm kidding. Put a lot of Vaseline all over your nose. Is this okay that I do this? Okay, let's begin. What does it feel like? Good?
Not good.
Okay, not good. Done with step 1. Now, second step is put plastic wrap all over the nose. Step 3, we're gonna put steam towel on the nose for 5 minutes, not to open the pores. Check out our last video. Can you breathe? Remove the steam towel. And last step, remove the Vaseline with the Q-tip. So if you see here, some of the sebum has wiped off. Do you see the yellow here? But it's not a lot. Then use cleansing oil. And then roll it all over your nose. You have to do this thoroughly so that the Vaseline doesn't clog your pores. Add water to the cleansing oil. Add water to the cleansing oil and then rub and emulsify. Then you wipe off the cleansing oil with Q-tips. Okay, so she kind of presses and like rubs in, so I'm gonna try a little bit like that, but then if you do that, I don't exactly know if it's because of the Vaseline or not, but let's just give it a try. Finally, she says to rinse off the cleansing oil with cleansing foam, so
이거 되게 힘드네.
그쵸?
고소하네요.
So after she dries her nose, I'm gonna take a look. Oh, it's softer, but okay. So guys, we've done the experiment. What do you think? What does it feel like?
그냥 just cleansing.
Cleansing? So to be honest, I'm gonna give you guys my personal opinion. I wouldn't go through all these steps for that. Even if you just use cleansing oil and foam cleanser, your nose or your pores feel a little clean afterwards, you know? We've told you multiple times, just rolling motion with cleansing oil could help you, cleanse out your pores. I think it's kind of that. I mean, I don't really understand what the Vaseline part does, Hold on. Why is this sticky? So, I wouldn't recommend, since I'm not like a doctor or anything, I don't want to recommend like go out and buy Vaseline and put it on your nose. It doesn't seem very safe, but it's a hack. I mean, yeah, my personal opinion, stick to cleansing oil and other methods of extraction. Let's try and ask an expert in the field to find out if this is true. 바세린으로 블랙헤드를 제거하는 영상을 혹시 보신 적 있나요?
네, 본 적 있어요.
이번에 저희가 실험을 한번 해봤는데 이게 바세린 효과인지 클렌징 오일 효과인지 잘 모르겠더라고요. 설명을 좀 해주셨으면 좋겠어요.
바세린이나 클렌징 오일 같은 경우에는 기름으로 이루어져 있는 피지를 부드럽게 만들어주는 작용을 하게 되는데요. 즉 피지가 부드러워지면서 모낭과 분리가 잘 되어서 윤활작용을 일으켜 피지가 잘 빠져나오게 됩니다.
Conclusion. Yes, you can use Vaseline to help melt away your blackheads, but make sure to remove it thoroughly so that the Vaseline doesn't block your pores. We've left some product recommendations down in the description box, so go check them out to help remove your blackheads. Experiment 2. Wasabi lip plumping. So I saw this on 5-Minute Crafts and I thought it might actually work. A lot of people on YouTube have been trying it and I thought, why not try it myself? So, it's really easy. You just need wasabi and yogurt. That's it. Aww. Okay, so step 1, I'm gonna put in some wasabi and then okay, now that fiasco is over, let me start again. 1-to-1 ratio of yogurt and wasabi. And then I'm gonna mix it. I'm a little scared. Guys. Step number 2, massage this over your lips.
그게 입술을 붓게 만드는 거.
그러려고 해서 제가 참고 있거든요. 근데 이거는 못 하겠어요. Do you wanna see? I don't know, guys. It does feel a little puckered up, like it does have that kind of feeling, but it feels like, you know, when you've eaten something spicy, it feels like that. Your lips feel swollen. I've tried lip plumpers before, and it hurts a little bit more than lip plumpers. So, but then, you know, if you think about it, it's edible and it's food, so it can't be that bad, right? I don't know. We should check with a professional with this. I don't want to do this again. It smells a little weird. Using chemical spices to plump up your lips. Is this safe? Let's ask an expert. 혹시 와사비로 립 플럼핑을 하는 게 괜찮을지.
와사비에 들어있는 캡사이신 성분이 입술의 얇은 피부를 자극하게 되고 입술에 부종을 일으켜서 일시적으로 입술의 주름이 펴져 보이고 입술이 커져 보이는 효과를 나타내게 됩니다. 피부 자체에는 자극을 주기 때문에 권해드리지 않아요.
그러면 시판되고 있는 립 플럼퍼는 안 좋은가요?
시판되고 있는 립 플럼퍼 같은 경우에도 민트나 캡사이신 같은 성분들을 이용해서 일시적으로 입술에 부종을 일으켜 입술이 커져 보이고 입술 주름이 없어져 보이는 플럼핑 효과를 내게 되는데요. 입술이 정말 커지거나 플럼핑 되는 것이 아니라 일시적인 효과를 일으키게 됩니다. 그래서 보습만으로도 자극 없이 조금 더 플럼핑 되는 효과를 보실 수 있으니 평소에는 자극이 없는 립밤으로 보습 위주의 케어를 해주시기를 부탁드립니다.
Conclusion. Using wasabi and yogurt as a DIY plumper can actually be really dangerous. So if you really want to plump up your lips, then try using a store-bought plumper. Try not to do this though if your lips are super chapped like mine. So the question here, do you guys try out do-it-yourself internet hacks? Yes or no? Leave your answers and I'll announce the winners next time. This is it for today. I hope I helped cure some of your curiosities. And if you guys have other things that you guys want us to test out, please leave them down in the comments below. Who knows? It might be the next episode. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.